Today I'm going to show you guys how you can get your CapCut templates for whatever content you want to create. So instead of the regular way to come check for templates on TikTok and go ahead and to the search bar and search for templates for CapCut and trending templates like that, there's a easier way to go around it. I just found out there's a particular page for this on CapCut. So we're just going to go to the browser. And right here, let me just minimize this a little bit for you guys to see. Now, right here, you can see this is capcut.com/templates. I'm just going to increase this back to the normal size. You're going to see so many templates right here. What you need to just do is once you're here, you go to the one for image. If you want to work on images, if you click on that, it take you to the section for images, right? Now, there is other option for videos. And you can easily search for the template you want, whatever type of templates you're looking for. Then we have wallpapers, things like that, Father's Day. So if you click on the image like this, you will be taken to the option to use this template. You can customize and do all that. And this kind of like replaced Canva, to my own understanding, kind of like replace Canva or competition for Canva. So if you come to the video section right here, let's say you want to try something like this, you can easily just customize this and you'll be fine. You see this? You see that you can easily come customize it so the kind of frame you want, the size, and that's it. I hope this helped you, and I'll be sharing more tips like this for you guys. Let me know in the comment section, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.